Hello, my landscapers, mower operators, and those who want to know the cheap and easy way to attach a walk-behind leaf blower to your zero-turn mower. I am going to show you step by step how to mount any walk-behind leaf blower to any zero-turn. I will show you the parts you need and how to save hundreds of dollars on an easy system that a couple companies advertise for several hundreds of dollars. Yep, you can make your own with the same parts that others charge hundreds for. And it is easy if you have the time. Watch this video.
Okay, how's everybody doing? I'm going to show you today how to mount a leaf blower, a walk-behind leaf blower, to your zero-turn mower. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and how the process went, and you can do it for about 70 bucks. There's a couple stores that are selling these things for $400 and $500, and you can make one, and it's very simple to do. I'll show you the parts here in 1 second. Stay tuned. This is a finished product. I'm going to show you to start with. It's just a regular Toro motor, zero turn. There's your front frame. Works your way down to the 7-inch adjustable hitch I ordered. There's the fabricated piece. I had a welding shop weld for me. It's just a 2-inch receiver you can order off of Amazon. Standard leaf blower. You order it brand new and it comes in, it's got the wheels on it. You just remove the wheels, and if you look where the handles go, you'll have 4 bolts, 2 on left side and 2 on the right side. Now, you take it to a welding shop with this 2-inch receiver that you've ordered. That's about $13 for that receiver. And you tell them at the welding shop, you want them to cut a piece and make you a frame that goes underneath this thing, just like this. That's just 2-inch stock. And then weld that 2-inch receiver onto your blower, such as this. That's step 1. Step number 2 is you want to order a 7-inch adjustable hitch. And this is the hitch right here. And you order, the 2 pins come with it. And your male comes with it to insert into a receiver, and the male comes to insert in this receiver you had welded on. This is the part you had welded. You take this to the welding shop, and where this piece had a ball that mounted, they cut off the part that the ball mounts on and weld you a simple piece like this onto that. So this is welded onto that where it fits right in your receiver. So what you've got is you've got a receiver that fits right into your blower on the frame that you had made, and then you have the piece that goes onto your frame for the zero turn. Part 3. This is number 2. On part 3, you order this plate and a receiver hitch. It's just a bumper plate is all it is, a bumper hitch receiver. And they're about $20. You order this, they'll send you a plate that's pre-drilled. You have to set this on your frame and measure the distance of your frame, and you'll have to re-drill 2 holes for 2 3/8-inch bolts. And once you mount this plate on your frame, you then have a receiver hitch here. So what you've got is you've got a receiver hitch mounted to your zero turn, and then you've got it fabricated on a frame for your blower. It's a simple process, cost about 70 bucks to have this thing made. And you can adjust it to where it's anywhere from 6, 7, 8, 10 inches off the ground, and it blows